In this video, we will be implementing a photo gallery in a WordPress website. So at the end of the video, you will be able to create a beautiful photo gallery like this. So where you will have a filtered section here, where you can filter the images, and on hover it, you can have a text and hover color and load more button to load more images, and tapping on any of the images you can check all the media galleries. You can navigate between them. Also you can have a slideshow of those images. It is also a mobile responsive. So let's check how to implement this beautiful photo gallery in WordPress. So first thing what we have to do is we need to install a plugin. So to install a plugin, click on the plugin icons here and tap on add new plugin. So here navigate to search plugin text field and search for premium add-ons. So in the search result you will find it premium add-ons for Elementor. It has 7 million plus active installations and it also has 5-star rating. So let's install this now. This plugin also has some other widgets like blog post listings, carousels and many more. Let's check this later on. Okay, now the plugin has been installed and we need to activate this plugin now. So once the plugin is activated, we will see a premium add-ons for Elementor section here. So let's click on it and navigate to widgets and add-ons. Okay, so here you can see multiple widgets here like recent post notification, carousels, navigation menu and many more fancy text. But for this example we only need media grid. So you can see here all the toggles has been enabled only the free versions. That is because we have a master switch on. Since we don't need all these widgets, what we can do is we can switch it off, else it consumes a lot of space which is not required for us. We just need to toggle media grid on. So once we have done these changes, let's navigate to our page where you need to implement photo gallery. Okay, so let's go to pages and I'll be implementing in my home page. I will edit with the Elementor. Okay, so first thing we need to create a new section. Okay, now tap on here and search for media grid. Okay, so we can see here media grid PA, it's premium add-on. Okay, so by default we got these filters and 2 images. So first thing what we have to do is tap on the entire container and make it as full width. Okay, and click on advanced tab and set padding as 0. Okay, so we have done the base layout structure for this. Now tap on inner section. So these fields are from media grid. So let's check one by one. Let's click on layout first and what type of grid layout we want. It has 3 types of grid layouts, but for our example we will choose the last option, metro. And these are image fit, how we need to display our images, either it is fill or cover. So in our example let's keep it as fill. And what is the image resolution we need to have? we have different dimensions, but for this example let's keep it as full. And other is, do we need load more button? Yes, this will be helpful for lazy loading. Instead of loading all the images at once, we can lazily load it. So it will be very useful for us if you have too many images we need to display. And this, what is the button text we need to display? So let it be load more. Okay, and here what is the initial number of images we need to display initially? So let's keep it as 8 in our example. Okay, images to show. Okay, so once 8 images are displayed, we will be showing a load more button. So when user clicks on load more button, how many more images we need to show? In our example, let's keep it as 8. Okay, yeah, that's it. So we are done with the layout changes. Now let's go to categories. Filter tabs. Do you need these filter tabs? Yes. If it is not required, we can remove it. Okay, let's keep it for now. Okay, this is the first category name, all. So yeah, let it be all. So these are the two categories. So let's change this category name. We can keep it as mountain, and other category name as river. Okay, this is the active index. So 0th index, that is all. It will be the default active index. Okay, so any other changes? Do we need to shuffle the images? No, that is not required. Yeah, we are done with the category section, and let's go to images and video section. So these are the two default images which we received. We can delete the one, and let's customize this one image as per our needs. First, let's change the upload the image. Okay, here alt text is very important for SEO, so you need to have a alt text for each and every images in your website. So let's select this image. Yeah, so okay, so what is the width? Ideally width, it contains currently it is 4, right? Each row has 12 numbers, so let's keep it as 3. If we keep it as 3, what happens is we can display 4 images in a row. And what will be the height? Let's keep it as 3 itself. Okay, let's check the responsive part as well now. So let's tap on tablet view. Okay, so what will be the width and height in tablet view? Let's keep it 3, similar to desktop view. So now let's check in mobile view. Okay, so in mobile view, let's keep it as full width. So only one image will be displayed in one room. Okay, now it looks good. Yeah, let's come back to desktop view now. Okay, what will be the title of this? Okay, let's change it to click on zoom icon to enlarge. Okay, click on, okay, click zoom icon to enlarge. Okay, so you written the title here, and this is the category. So let's make it as a river. What else is required? No, yeah, that's it. So we have written everything. We have done the category, we have written the title, set height and width, and upload the images. So now let's copy paste it, like how many images we required. So in our example, let's set it to 12 images. So let's copy paste it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we have 12 images now. Okay, let's upload different images for each section. Okay, let's select some images here. Okay, so for third, yeah, for fourth image, fifth image, sixth image. Okay, so we have done 6 images and 6 more to go. Yeah, so I have two categories, like one is river and one is mountain. So I have similar images for those. So I'm setting the filter as river and mountain. You can change it to as per your needs. Okay, let's quickly upload all the images. Okay, so we have done all the changes. Okay, but one thing we forgot is to set the categories for each images. Okay, so let's set the categories. This is second image. So here, yeah, let it be river. Okay, and for third icon, let's set it as mountain. And for fourth, okay, let's set it as river. Okay, river is set. And for fifth, again, let's set it as river. And for sixth image, yeah, let's make it as mountain. You should give the same name as the category which we have mentioned earlier. So let's keep it as river. Okay, let's change it to mountain category. Another mountain. Mountain. Okay, mountain. And one more is pending. Yeah, let's keep it as mountain. Okay, so we have done with image section as well. So we have uploaded a 12 images and set the title and also the category for which it belongs. So let's minimize this images and video section and go to display option. Okay, so here you can see there is gap between each images. It doesn't look good. So what we can do is we can reduce the image gap to 0. I think now it looks pretty good since there is no gap between the images. Okay, so you can see here the title which we are given. It is visible even before we tap or hover on images. So let's change the style to here. So in style 2, only when we hover on any image, the text will be displayed. Okay, so this is the hover effect. So zoom in. So whenever you hover on image, it will be zoomed in. So let's keep it as zoom in. And any other changes? No. Okay, let's close the display option section. Let's check lightbox. Do we need any changes here? No. Responsive design, any changes? Not required. Okay, so we are done with the content section now. Now let's go to the style section. Okay, this is the general section. Do we need any changes here? No, general section, we don't need any changes now. Let's minimize it And let's open image section now. Image overlay. So when you hover on any image, do you need any background color for that? Yes. So in my example, I need this particular color. You can have your own color. This is my RGBA color where I'll be setting as the background color. Okay, so now you can see whenever I hover on in image, I can see a background color. Okay, good. Yeah, let's minimize the image section and go to title and description. Okay, what color do you need for your title? Okay, let's keep it as white. Okay, let's open the typography section here, and the font size, let's keep it as 16, and font weight as bold. Okay, also let's check how it looks on tablet and mobile view. Okay, 16. Okay, let's reduce it to 14. Yeah, and in mobile view, I think let's keep it as 16. Okay, now let's move back to desktop view here. Okay, now we can see here whenever you hover on any image, the title will be displayed at the bottom. Let's try to display it at as much as upwards, like center of the images. So we need to give the spacing. So now it comes much better, like it comes near to the center of the image. Let's check in portrait view. So by default it is 100 now, since we have given 100, but it is too high. So let's reduce this to 20 and check how it looks. Yeah, so for tablet version we can set spacing, we can set it as 20. And let's check on mobile devices. So again, yeah, we can set it as 100 here again for mobile devices. Yeah, looks pretty good now. Okay, let's go back to desktop view. Okay, so you need any other changes here? Typography or margin not required. Okay, let's minimize this and open icon section. Okay, so you can see here icon is not at the center of the image, right? So let's change the position of the icon now. So first thing is click on the drop down here next to the px pixels, and let's set it as percentage. So how many percent we need to push it down? Okay, let's make it as 48%. Okay, now it has come to the center of the image, right? Okay, so let's check on tablet and mobile view as well, how it looks. Yeah, it is in the center of the image, and in mobile view, yeah, it is at the center. Okay, now what else we have to do? Okay, let's change the color of this icon. So I'll give the same color as my hover background color, the same RGB color. You can give as per your needs. So the color is now changed to the same color as my background. So what will be the background color of that icon? Let's make it as white. Yeah, it's look good now. Okay, any other changes you need? No. Let's minimize the icon section and open the filter section. Okay, do you need any changes on the normal? I guess no. Red looks good for this. If you need to change the text color or background color, you can change it, but I will not go to change it now. On hover also I will not go to change, but for active I'll make some changes. Okay, so for active, The color, let's change it to white. Since the all is active by default, the color has been changed here. And also the background color, let's change. I will keep it background color as my primary color here. Okay, this is my primary color, so I have set it as my primary color. So whenever whichever the category is selected, this style will be set for that. Okay. Any other changes required? No. Let's minimize filter section and open load more button. Uh, the color size, I don't make any changes here. Okay, so but yeah, let me add a padding and margin for my load more button. Okay, so I have done the changes. Yeah, in advanced tab you don't need to make any changes. Okay, let's update my changes and let's preview our changes. Okay, so this is our media gallery which we have implemented now. It looks pretty good, right? Yeah, let's tap on any of the images. See, yeah, so you can navigate between the images by tapping on left or right icon. Also you have options here to navigate. You can check total number of images there, and also you have play icon where images will be automatically navigated after few seconds here. It's pretty good. Okay, let's close this now. Okay, and also we have load more button because we have only 8 images loaded here. So let's click on load more and another 8 images will be loaded, but we have only 12 images, so only 4 images are loaded here. Okay, let's check the filter. Yeah, so we have filter here. Filter works properly. Okay, now let's check how it looks on iPad and mobile devices. So for that, let's right click and tap on inspect element, and here tap on mobile view. Okay, this is the iPad view here, so you can see here. Yeah, we have 8 images. Tapping on any of the images, yeah, it opens the same images. Load more button loads more images. Looks pretty good, right? Okay, and let's check in the phone devices. Yeah, the similar UI will be displayed. This media gallery is pretty good. It gives great user experience for users whoever is using your website. So I recommend using this plugin for your photo gallery. Let's close this. Yeah, this is a pretty good plugin. You can use it for media gallery. That's it, guys. Do you have any queries? Just comment it down and I will reply it to you. Let's check other widgets some other time. Yeah, thank you, guys.